Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we're looking at a foundational concept of dance, the 5-foot positions. These positions are how you'll stand whenever you're doing ballet, modern, or jazz. Jumping straight in, we have our first position, literally just called first position. So, in first position, you'll bring your heels together with your toes pointing out. This probably looks familiar if you remember the turnout video, and if not, be sure to check it out right after this one. Next, we have second position. To get here, we'll start in first. Take a tendu to the side, and lower your heel here. Boom, you're in second. And if you don't remember tendu, then be sure to head back to the first video of this series where we go over it. We'll be using it a lot, so make sure you check it out. Next is third. From your second position, lift your heel into tendu and drag that foot back into the center. This time, instead of closing with your heels together in first, you'll place your heel in the center of your opposite foot. And that's your third. Next, we have fourth position. Now this one has a few variations, but we'll go over those in another video. For now, we'll stick with what's called open fourth. So, coming from third position, you'll take a tendu forward and place your heel down here. And that's your open fourth. Finally, we have fifth position. Coming from fourth, take your tendu and pull the foot back into close with your heel connecting to your big toe. Voila! Fifth, and that's it. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. That one was a lot, but it was still pretty easy, right? Now each one of these can also be done turned in, which you'll see more in modern and jazz. There are also 5 arm positions that go along with the feet, but we'll go over that next time. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full, live, online classes at rmjproductionstudios.com for more.